Today I'm checking out this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto system that you would put in your car, and it wirelessly connects to your phone. Now, I was sent this at no cost so I can do the review, but let's go ahead, get this thing out of the box, see everything that it comes with. Then we're going to get this thing hooked up in a car and see how well it works. All right, so this is everything out of the box, and this thing is really cool. I actually didn't know it had some of the extra cool things that it has. Now, I do know that it's an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay system that works wirelessly. So if you're like me, I have a pretty new truck. It's 2020, and it doesn't do wireless Android Auto. And it drives me crazy, honestly, because I want to be able to just bring my phone in there, put it on a charger, and be done with it. But it won't work that way. I have to plug it in. This one will do it wirelessly. So that is really cool. This one comes with this mount here, so you can adjust it quite a bit. Or if you have a really good place for it, it has this mount already on it that has this soft pad on the bottom that lets you put this onto a dash that maybe not be perfectly flat. Even if you have some contour to it, these type of pads stick really well. Now, I did say it was Android Auto and CarPlay and all that, and that's fancy, but it's also a camera system for the front of your car and for the back of your car. So this is going to be watching the driving or the front of your vehicle, and then you install this one right over here that it comes with, and that's going to be watching the back of your vehicle. So if you get hit from the front or from the back, you should be able to get it captured here, or like everything nowadays, all the crazy drivers we have going on, this is just a good system to have. I think every vehicle nowadays should have a camera system in them, so that way you can record what's going on. Hopefully you never need it, but if you do, you have it. It also does come with this 64 gigabyte micro SD card that's in here that can help record everything that's going on while you're driving. You can also, of course, always buy a bigger one if you want. But you've got all that here. You've got the screen, nice big 10-inch screen. It's got this cover on it, and once you take that off, you see just this beautiful screen behind it. You have audio cables, so if you have an audio import on your vehicle, you can just plug that right in. Gives you that feature. It also comes with the adapter to use this with USB-C. If you don't already have some USB-C power that you can put on this, then you have an adapter to do that. This is just a little package of hardware and a sticky tape so you can install the rear view camera. And I think that's pretty much everything on this. I'm going to read up on the manual here, and we're going to get this installed in the vehicle. All right, so I've got this installed here in our Enclave, and it's working great. Let me show you some of the cool things it does. I have this connected to my phone through Android Auto, but I have that turned off right now. Let me show you the cameras. So if you come over here and you press the little camera button, so now, if you can see that well, there's a little bit of glare in here, but this is the front camera, really nice high quality camera, and the back camera, which is also really nice, high quality, looks great, couldn't ask for a better picture. And of course, all of that is recording on the micro SD card that's in there. If I want to go back and see other things, I can just hit home. Now I'm back to the home screen. It automatically updates the time and everything when you connect it to your phone. As you can see, there's a bunch of different things it can do, but the main thing that I'm wanting to do is Android Auto. So let me get that started so you can see that. To do that, you would kick off Android Auto, but I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on real quick. So it is now in Android Auto mode. You just click the Android Auto button. This comes up. I've got like Spotify and everything connected through my Android Auto. It can do all my phone calls, everything. It also works through the audio on the car. So if I want to answer calls, do all of that, I don't even have to do that through my car. I can do it through Android Auto on this device, and I can run it through the speakers, either through the FM transmitter or through this speaker device itself, or even the auxiliary cable that it comes with. I can plug it into the auxiliary on the stereo. So there's many different ways you can use this, but I'm just using the FM transmitter, and that thing works great. It's basically using the speakers of your car as just speakers, and then all the logic is coming from here. So works really well, navigation, everything, just like you would expect from Android Auto. And it works great. It connects as soon as I get in the car, recognizes my phone, everything connects well, starts recording, everything that I'm looking for out of a device like this. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.